Yeah, somebody's definitely stalking you. Like a bird, like perch on a tree. And that's creepy in a way. Unless you like, oh my god, more birds. Spirit messages, observe limitation. What? This is so specific. All right. So yeah, definitely someone wants to communicate. So there's a lot of communication. This person is really obsessing, like really obsessing, like energy vampire obsessing. I mean, I'm not saying it's negative, but I'm feeling way too much attention to someone specific. This person has their eyes on focus on you 24/7. If they don't see you 24/7, then they're like, they don't sleep. They think about you so much they don't even freaking sleep. Oh. But there's a lot of communication here. This is a very, very close union. This could be a twin flame, soulmate, whatever, right? This is someone you have a red string connection. Wow. This is overwhelming. Okay, because this person, it's not overwhelming because, oh wow, yeah, they love me. But it's more like, this person was just recently awakened to your love. Wow. Okay. So now I get it. Okay, they were recently awakened to the intensity of this affair or this connection. Recently awakened to how much they truly care about you because maybe they were not accepting of it before. You guys are all souls. You may be very similar to each other. I'm getting Native American for somebody here. Ooh. Some of you guys have traveled the world, or this person is from another culture. It's across the world. This person and you dream about each other constantly. This is a 5D relationship for sure. You guys may have never even touched. You know of each other, but some of you may not have even met. Okay, so this could be a twin flame that you're receiving communication and you were recently awakened or activated. Okay, I'm getting an activated person here. Recently activated. Jeez. These piles are so extra today. You're getting a message here to get crystals. Okay, you need crystals. You need like I keep seeing a quartz. You need a quartz. You need a crystal, a quartz like this. Okay, get